How to edit your profile on Agoda. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So if you're trying to edit your profile on Agoda, your Agoda app does not offer you that option, so you are going to have to use the browser version for that. Simply open up your web browser and search for agoda.com and log into the account where you want to edit your profile. Once you land on the home page, you'll be able to see the three lines icon at the top right corner. From there, you can scroll down until you find your account section, and right under there you have My Profile. Tap on it. And once you tap on My Profile, you'll be able to see all of your user details like your name, email, phone number, and password. So if you want to make edits, you could just go ahead and tap on any one of them. So let's say if you want to add a phone number, tap on Add, select a country or region, and then simply enter your phone number right here. Once you have entered your phone number, you could just tap on Next, and you should be able to continue after verifying the code. Now, if you want to make an edit on your password, you can tap on Edit and enter your current password here, enter your new password, and confirm your new password. And that's how you basically edit your profile on Agoda. If this tutorial was helpful to you guys, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.